In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to Typeform using workspaces and organizational roles. This guide is especially helpful if you're looking to efficiently manage your team's projects, ensuring seamless collaboration and workflow. Before we delve into the steps, it's important to note that accessing collaborator features in Typeform requires being on their Plus plan or higher. This means if you're currently using a free or lower tier plan, you might want to consider upgrading to Plus, Business, or Enterprise plans to unlock these collaborative capabilities. Now, let's walk through the process of adding users to your organization in Typeform. To begin setting up team collaboration, start by navigating to the top left corner of your Typeform interface, where you'll find your account alias displayed. Click on it, and this action will guide you to the Organization Members section. Here, it's all about making things streamlined and organized. You'll notice an option labeled Org Members. Select this option to proceed with inviting team members to collaborate within your Typeform environment. Once you're in the right section, you'll see an option to Invite Members. Click on that to begin the invitation process. Now you need to have the email addresses of the individuals you want to collaborate with. Type these in carefully to avoid any possible errors. Once you've entered the email addresses, it's time to think about what role each person should play within your organization. Typeform provides several roles that can be assigned, each with specific permissions and capabilities. For most standard operations, assigning roles like owner, admin, or editor would suffice. If you're operating on the enterprise plan, you'll even have the option to assign the role of viewer, which is specific to that plan. After roles are assigned, the invitees will receive an email with all the necessary details. It's crucial for each prospective team member to check their inbox and accept the invitation for them to become active collaborators. Remind them to check their spam or junk folders just in case the email lands there instead of their primary inbox. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully invite and add collaborators to your Typeform organization. This will not only enhance productivity, but also help in managing the workflow across various projects efficiently. Collaboration is key in today's fast-paced work environments, and having the right setup ensures everyone is aligned and more productive. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you now feel confident in adding collaborators to Typeform and optimizing your team's collaborative efforts. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.